Good day, everyone. So let us see the introduction of artificial intelligence. The code of the subject is 22AM301. This is the Unit 1 content. We'll start with introduction of AI. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines. So we are going to develop machines that are going to think intelligently, and it's going to mimic human cognitive functions like learning and problem solving. So it's going to learn about its environment, and it's going to solve the problems that is being acquired in the environment. It's a broad field of encompassing various techniques, but here's a breakdown to get you started. So what are the goals of artificial intelligence? It emulates human intelligence in a machine. So a machine is going to think like human-like reasoning, learning, problem solving, decision making. So what is reasoning? It analyzes the information and draws logical conclusions. So it analyzes the information, so whatever it's gathering from the environment, it gathers the information and draws to certain conclusions according to whether it's good or bad. It's going to learn from the environment. Not all the time the same thing will be happening in the environment. There can be changes. There can be new problems that are going to be arised. So it has to learn from its environment. Next, if there is a problem that is being occurred in the environment, it's going to solve that problem. So there it takes a decision, right? So decision making evaluates the portion and makes choices based on the available information. So this is artificial intelligence and why we choose artificial intelligence. So how it works? Generally, it enables the machine to learn from the data and recognize patterns. So it draws certain logical patterns from which, if the same pattern is occurring, it knows its conclusion already. Or a new pattern is formed, it learns from that environment and takes new decisions from it. It's a 5-step process. It takes the input, then it processes it, it gets the outcome, it does some adjustments, and it checks whether the given conclusion is correct or not. If it's not, it improves. So as usual, like how you give input to a computer, it takes input from data. Data is collected from various sources. This data is then sorted into categories. So all the data that are going to be available around us, it's going to get information from it. Then it processes it. When it processes, it sorts and deciphers. Some may be a direct answer, some will be deciphered. And it learns until it recognizes similar patterns. So there'll be a number of inputs and number of data that are being stored in different kinds of patterns. So it will check whether those patterns are already existing in the knowledge base. So these terminologies are a little technical, like knowledge base and all. You'll learn in the forthcoming slides. Next is the outcome. So according to which pattern it has derived, it predicts the outcome. Then it does some adjustments. If the data sets are considered as failed, the AI learns from its mistake. It will not repeat the same mistake again because it learns about its environment and it's going to store that pattern accordingly. Then if there is any assessment, if it can improve itself even more than what it's giving now, so that also can be done with AI. Understood? So what are the different types of AI we have right now? We have something called narrow AI, which is called as the weak AI. Then general AI, now it's generating. So nowadays we use general AI, but not to a very big extent, but to a certain extent. That is called as a strong AI. Then comes the machine learning, then natural language processing. So what is narrow AI? This forms an AI is designed and trained for specific tasks or domains. Only for specific questions it has answers for it, or for specific patterns it has answers for it, such as speak recognition. So what you ask as a question, it will deliver as an answer, or image classification, or recommendation systems. So narrow AI excels within defined parameters but lacks the general human-like intelligence. So whatever is given as input, according to that input it's going to give answers. It is not going to train itself or develop itself according to its environment. So before days and all, we used to have narrow AI like Alexa, for example. So there you ask a question, Alexa gives you an answer, or else you ask it a joke, it gives you a joke. You ask it any kind of like what is the climatic condition right now, it will tell. So whatever has been fed as question, it will answer for that question, but it will not improvise more than that. Okay, but nowadays we have something called general AI, which is called a strong AI. General AI aims to exhibit human-like intelligence and cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks. So how a human is going to think, whether to do this task or not, whether you have to move forward to do this, the decision making, that has come in general AI. This form of AI is hypothetical and remains a long-term goal in AI research. We have not reached till the end, but we are trying to attain it. Next is the machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of AI, okay, that focuses on enabling machines to learn from the data and improve their performance. So we are going to create certain algorithms which are going to work for the scenario and give answers accordingly. That is what machine learning is going to do. It includes techniques like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Natural language processing. This is also a subset of AI. So NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language, like your chatbot. You give it in one language, it will replicate the same question, whatever you have given in your original language, to another language as well. So chatbot is a very good example. So application range from chatbots and translation services to sentiment analysis and text summarizations. So these are some techniques that can be used in natural language processing. Next is computer vision, like images and visual information. Computer vision enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world. So through pictures, through voice, you will be able to recognize information, or you will be able to use a machine. It is used in image and video recognition, object detection, autonomous vehicles, and medical image analysis. Next is robotics. So you all know robot working like a human. So many movies you have seen, right? So robotic combines AI and mechanical engineering to create machine robots that does physical tasks or semi-autonomously. Next is expert systems. Expert systems are AI systems designed to emulate decision-making ability of a human expert in a specific domain. So these are the types of AI. Next, let's see the uses of AI. So uses are a wide range of uses. We have been using AI in healthcare, automobiles, finance, surveillance, social media, entertainment, education, space exploration, gaming, robotics, agriculture, and e-commerce. So a very big boon in health industries, automobile industries, agriculture as well. It has been a very big research oriented topic. So these are being explained here. So health. AI is used for medical diagnosis like X-rays and MRIs. In finance sector, analyzing the borrowers and financial history, stocks and shares, most probably. In retail industries, in booming up of e-commerce, right? Analyzing past purchases, how it was, how you have been doing the purchase, or you have been selling products last year, and how we are going to do it this year. Those kind of analysis can be done. Then manufacturing. In manufacturing aspects, you can use it. Next is transportation. Now driverless cars. These have been introduced through AI. Customer services, automated machines talking to the customers. Next is security. We can securize everything using image and videos. Next is marketing. You can sales your product using AI, learning from what are the drawbacks you are facing from. Next, in the education field. So that's it about introduction of AI. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.